Hello there. I'm back in business. As you can see, I'm back in Shotgun Mario 64. And this is the new PC. Oh yes. New quality. And at least for me, it goes really fluent. This is really amazing. Actually, I love this a lot. So I feel like quality just increased massively. Just like Michael, he's so majestic. Only Michael Storin fans understand this one. Alright, let's go. We're continuing, and today we're in the basement. I would say we're just 1 star away from getting the second MIPS. Oh, I didn't get this secret star. Well, now I have it. Now it's getting procedurally more difficult to know which secret stars I collected, which not. Oh, I'm so lost. Lost in space. Alright, but we wanna get some easy stars. I wanna just get the 100 coin star with pretty quick. Hey, you don't fuck with the Mario. You killing my brother. You some son of a bitch. Okay. The tricks are going to be insane. Whoa, that was one hell of a trick. Let's try that again. Yes. Yahoo! Yes. This is so cool, holy moly. Hello, dear eyeball. You're not seeing anything anymore. I blinded him. I'm so evil. Yeah, very, very evil. Where was that mouse coming from? I guess that's my Nintendo 128 that just, was blocking the view. I don't know where that came out. Okay, by a sign, you were never loved anyway. So, I feel like, I don't know, maybe audio is wrong. I'm scared that the audio is just completely wrong. Like, this is my first time after years with recording with OBS Studio, because OBS kind of sucked with my old laptop, because the old laptop was ass. You probably don't even realize it, but actually I still play on my laptop. But like the recording is on the PC, so it's much more fluent. Basically, my PC's not getting completely bombasted because I have something else open in the background. So yeah, that's basically that. So I will mostly have fluent recordings, and I just realized you still see a bit of my Nintendo 128. Alright. The Nintendo 128 has been removed. Wait, no, I'm actually saying I'm pirating. I was just, you know, moving around the borders of the Nintendo 128, you know? Just so the recording is a bit more beautiful, you know? Nintendo, don't be mad at me. Don't send me ninjas. I have enough of them in my basement. Ow. Well, that's certainly worth a restart. Now I don't want to do this stupid level anymore. Well, let's go somewhere else. If you do, was du dir heute kannst besorgen, das verschiebe nicht auf morgen. That's a, don't worry about it. Okay, let's do this sometime else. I lost all motivation for Hazy Maze Cave just in a few seconds. I'm not different to the iPad kids, honestly. I'm not differently to iPad kids. I know somebody's hiding there, so fuck you. Triple kill! Whoa. That was loud as hell. Triple kill! Kill! Yeah, I'm sorry for everybody's ears that I destroyed today. The money! Here comes the money! Money, money, money! Alright. I still want to do like the 100 coin missions because these are by far the worst missions. Still with this mod because there's, I mean with this DLC of Mario 64 because it's kind of still as boring. Like not getting any better. It's not getting any better. I hate collecting money even though I want more money. Please give me money. Please. Alright. Peak. Clutch. Clutch Productions. That was so peak, holy moly. Good, but I need the shell. Because otherwise I freeze my ass. No, not burning my ass, freezing my ass. Let's get you 8 red coin star real quick and then 69. Oh, normally I should just stop. Oh, that means before we hit 6, 7. No, I'm not part of these people saying this slang all the time. No. Why are you looking at me like that? Why do you think I'm like people saying this slang all the time? Why do you think I'm like that, huh? Why do you think I'm like that? Alright, I hope we got all confusing. I don't know English. I'm sorry. Alright. Now. Easiest story in my life. I mean, there are easier stars, but I just said it because, I don't know. Easier than the Hazy Mazy Cave, because I don't want to do Hazy Mazy Cave now. Hazy Mazy Cave success! It's success! It's success! I hate Hazy Mazy Cave. Even though it's one of my favorite levels in hide and seek, so I might be wrong. Can we open this? Curse you. Well, okay. That certainly wasn't really too much harder. Freddy Fazbear? And a well from the freezing pond. That's not going to be harder. EC. EC! Just like that. Mario wins. And we got Snowmans Land. Just like that. Easy. No, the door has to be destroyed. That's just how life goes in this universe. Okay, we also didn't get this toad. I think we got all the caps. Probably secret slide. We got 10 secret stars. I don't know which levels we got and which not. I'm just checking out the toad at the top. I feel like this one is the one we got. Not at all. That's what I was saying. I didn't collect this one at all, you know? Meaning, I feel like we have the Mips, the final Bowser level, and Rainbow, and the Wing Mario of the Rainbow. Then we're just missing one secret star that I do not know which level it's in. We're going to find out one day or another. Okay, I didn't want to do that, but alright. Let's make quick business of this little red red world with the negative aura iceberg. I don't know what these people are talking about, but I can say it's definitely a nostalgic level for... That's what the thing is, like, I don't feel like there's something like a negative aura, but it still has an aura. Like, it still feels like very nostalgic to me. Because as a kid, I loved playing this game. And just exploring. And sometimes weird glitches happened that I never saw again. Wow, that was amazing. But yeah, I don't know. What's your Mario 64 cool thing that happened to you? I'd love to see it in the comments. I also vividly remember when like I played already as a very young kid, so but I still remember everything, like holy moly. I remember my mother had like lots of people at the house, and I was just chilling in the living room playing some Mario 64, and the weather was crazy out there. And yeah, it was going so crazy that the glitch happened and I could swim out in like into the in castle grounds in the water, you know? Like that water puddle, I could swim out of it. And I was like, hey, probably it was just it's just like a dream or something. But I know it definitely, like, I know everything that happened throughout the entire day, so I know that this is not a dream. But maybe I was just mistaking it for something else, but no. From what I've heard, this is actually a glitch, I think, that can happen. And especially because of cosmic particles that can hit your game and make you teleport up in TikTok clock. Very legit. Yeah, there's pretty much gave me the belief that this is actually possible, because I feel like a thunder almost hitting the N64 console, that could definitely do some stuff, and I feel like that actually happened. Like, I feel like I'm pretty sure that lightning hit it, because I feel like weather was going really crazy on that day. So, yeah. But I also have so many interesting memories of other video games. We can talk about them if in perfect case, because I don't just want to start talking about Zelda Ocarina of Time if we're not in Zelda Ocarina of Time. But you know what I mean? Like, we can definitely talk about a lot on this channel. That's why we're here. We're here to talk. We're here to enjoy. We're here to chill. That's the entire premise of the channel. Just chilling, let's play. Just like in the good old days. I may be hoping that my channel blows up. I don't know reason at all whatsoever. Because I'm a brokey, poor little guy. Doing too much work even though I have finals and I should be learning constantly. But you know what? I'm grinding, continuing grinding. I wanna be a big shot. That's just how life goes. Alright. Let's... There's the red coin around here. No! No, 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 no. Oh, wait, you can just shoot it, right? Yes. Well, then it is underwater. Who the hell cares? I certainly don't care. Give me the star. Give me a star. Just avoiding the copyright. You know, that's how life goes. Avoid the copyright at all costs. Ow. Oh. Ow. Yahoo. Alright, top out the town. It is. That was a very quick star. Peak. Absolute cinema. Peak gaming. I don't expect anything else. Alrighty, secrets in the shallows and sky. I will say, let's actually collect the secret star, yeah. Was suddenly something? Boom, go away. Out of my way. Go. Boom, boom, boom. This is so cool, like, holy moly. I still enjoy this a lot. And we, like, already finished half of the game. It's insane. Mars dangerous. But I don't know which stars I'm missing. That's what's scary. Maybe I'm missing a Bowser level star, but I'm pretty sure that I'm like, every time I went into one, I just collected them. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I just collected one star in this life because I was like, hey, let's go through the quick game a bit quicker. So we can like check out the most important stuff. I don't know. Definitely have to check out my recordings. What am I doing? Easy. That's just how your players do this. Good, we finished this level. Alright. Oh man, I'm really wondering which level which star, secret star I'm missing. I don't know. I can't just point my finger out on it. I can point my finger out on which star I'm really missing. You know, at one point we gotta check it out anyway, so I'm just going to find out which star we're missing. Let's do this quick. Maybe we're missing a star. Definitely going to be one hell of an Easter egg hunt. Let's just shoot every fly. Holy moly. Plus myself. Okay, it's not this star. How wonderful. It's definitely not making me... Oh, it's the aquarium, right? If it's the aquarium, then everything is chill. Because then we just need Wing Mario in the sky. Final Bowser level, because I feel... And we didn't enter that level. And MIPS. The 50-star MIPS. If it's that, then we're basically shouldn't be worried anymore. I felt like we collected all the toads, but I was freaking wrong. Holy moly, I have Alzheimer's. You could also suggest what I should play next. I've been basically known as the Super Mario Warped Worlds guy to replay Super Mario Warped Worlds too many times. But I might actually like play the version that is like the half-finished version with yeah, okay, this was the slow. Okay, good. We're clean. Like where the snow level is finished, but yeah. And after that, I immediately plan to do B3313. Amazing hack. I also planned like this Mega Man X-Zero guy, who is also like, there's definitely a person with that name who has created a horror hack themed liminal like B3313, and I wanted to play that too. I've actually seen like 3 people doing the same, so it's going to be absolutely insane of how much cool stuff we're able to play in the future. I'm certainly hyped. Very hyped. This is going to be very cool. I hope you're hyped too, because as soon as these come out, I will play for them. I will play for them. I will definitely play for them. And be one of the first people to play for it. And just be completely confused because I don't find everything. Are you kidding me, Mario? Are you kidding me, Mario? No! Mario, why are you doing this to me? Oh wait, no, it's my fault. I suck ass. I actually just wanted to shoot this goofball. What is going on with the monkey? He's doing the yum incident. The yum incident. That's certainly it with the star. I feel like we have to find a new star to collect. I decided for this very easy. No animals were harmed during the recording of this video. No animals were harmed. Let's just do this again, and this time we're going to be a bit more careful. I mean, nothing really happened in the first place, but you know. Just in case, you know? No. Hello, monkey. That was so easy. I could have shot you. Go faster. I can literally walk inside of you. I'm the friend inside of you. Friend inside me. Friend inside me. Hehehe. Oh, that was very enthusiastic. Alright. 6-6. We're so close. We're so close to 6-7. I'm sorry to everybody watching this and hating it and just being like, no, why are you like this? It's not my fault. Blame my class colleagues spamming this all the time. Just kidding. No, blame nobody. Blame the guy who started it. Wahoo. Alright, let's do a 100 coins. Now we'll want to find out. I want to do an insane track. Impossible jumps. Oh man. You're telling me I can't do it? Don't tell me anything. Yes! Absolute lump. Absolute lump it is. You die. Fuck. Then all your brothers will die. Hey! The disrespect. Holy moly. Just doing some, just having some fun, you know? No, you're not. You're not tough. You're just a little cloud, man. Alrighty, let's get the 100 coin star. The wonderful, beautiful, amazing, fun to slide of slides. Time for a PowerPoint slide. Ho ho ho. Super humorous KSO moment. Which is an absolute insane game, by the way. Like, what the hell? How do you do stuff like that? But alright, we're going to play this also too one day. But I would prefer doing it on my Paper Pirates channel. I mean, maybe I will just be like, hey, we're playing forever game of the Simple Flips, yeah. The entire Simple Flips competition. I don't know how exactly I want to actually continue that. Maybe I'm going to be like, if I'm like planning to do a big video and I'm like, hey, that can be recorded for Flower 64 too. I will like finish the original video and do like live streamers like archive their old video, old live stream I mean. Like that I just say, hey, check out Flower 64, there you find the full form. And I'm flying. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Or well. That was it with 6-7 in a matter of seconds. What do you do now? What do you do now? What do you do now? What do you want to do now? You know what I'm going to do now? We're going to end this part with 69. And the star is going to get shattered. 69 it is. 69. Oh yeah. That is certainly a way to end the video. So with that, I would say this has been wonderful, amazing, super extreme and stuff. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. And bye bye. Yahoo!